Well, today we're gonna get this old lawnmower running. Well, I'm Cheap Charlie, and here's the way to save some time. Life's busy, you gotta keep up with Donald Trump's tweets. Gotta tweet him back. You gotta do that Instagram thing. Boy, so many choices. So here's some time-saving methods to get your old lawnmower up and running. And then, when there's 10 feet of snow out, you can get her fixed right. Well, the old lawnmower's been sitting there, impressing the neighbors. So I better fix it and get it up and running so we can cut our lawn. So I think the problem is the starter or something like that. This thing's super old. It's about the early 70s, I'm guessing, or late 60s, somewhere in there. But anyways, I'm just gonna do it my own way, get it up and running at least. Then we can always upgrade things back to the way it was. Well, you could take the time, get all this off, or if not, you can just pop the screen off, then you can get at that nut and continue on this project. So pop out that screen, save it for another day. Now we got access to that, and now we're saving time. Now we want to get rid of all those dust bunnies. Been riding around in there for a couple decades and then some. So now we found a socket, got our handy drill, we're off to the races. Or something like that. Come on, old girl. Not bad, it's been sitting for a couple months. Awesome. Vegetation growing on it. Good thing we got it out in time.